Hello guys, so today pulling this roof off. As you can see, this is the carbon roof. A lot of you ask about what am I going to do with this. Well, obviously you know that the Need for Speed car has a blue roof. So these cracks aren't the biggest issue. Yes, it sucks. It really freaking sucks. But basically, I want to mount the roof first because these cracks make it super flexible. So I want it to be sitting exactly how it's going to be sitting, you know, forever. So after that, I'm going to be able to sand them down and put fiberglass Bondo and yeah, basically just fix them, sand them down, make them smooth. Obviously, it's not going to be carbon in this area. It's going to be like, what is it, like green or something, the color fiberglass Bondo, which once again sucks because some people keep this raw like this, you know, just carbon, which it does look beautiful like the CSL M3s, but that's the plan with this. The UPS claim is still in dispute. They did already do the package inspection and everything. It's just waiting. That's the sucky thing about this. It could not even be your fault. It could be their fault, but this crap will take months. But hopefully, surprisingly later, we will win or whatever. Maybe I'll get like $300 to $500 back, because that would be nice, because I really do need money to put into this car. But until then, I gotta move forward. I can't be, you know, sitting around waiting for a claim to go through. So now I'm basically gonna actually use a razor blade and try to get a lot of these, this sticky glue boy off, and obviously take these off. This is super easy to pop, as you can see right there. It comes off, and all the pinch welds are under there. Actually, I'll show you guys, just so you guys know if you don't know what a pinch weld is. It's basically, it's those little circles. You see how there's like a ton of them? It's probably better if you see them like that. You see the little circles? Those are pinch welds, and they basically weld the top and the bottom layer together by force. So basically what I'm going to be taking is doing a drill bit and drilling through that first layer so it disconnects it from the second layer. Not drilling all the way through, because that would be drilling through the actual body. Just drilling the multiple pinch welds. There's a ton under there, on the other side and around. And then I can probably start putting like a little flathead or something to start chiseling it up. Apparently that's going to be a pain, but yeah, hopefully we get this off today, because that's my goal. We're not going to be putting the new roof on. I mean, maybe we'll like lean it against just to see, but we're definitely not going to be putting it on because I still have to paint the cage fully, and on top of that, I also have to clear the cage. I still have to paint the floors. I have to take out some sound deadening down there. You know, a lot of little stuff that'll maybe take all of tomorrow to do if we get the roof off today. But then once all of that is done and stuff, then we can actually put this new roof in. And yeah. So I had to go out to Harbor Freight, guys, and I got this little bit. So it has like a little needle that when you put force, it helps you guide it. But basically I realized regular drill bits won't work because you actually have to drill through both panels, while this will just cut a circle into the first layer, which is all we need just to break the first layer. took like a 2 or 3 hour break because this stuff is annoying, but I'm basically halfway across the rear, did the entire that side, did the entire front, and now we're kind of almost halfway across this. So I just have half of this and then half of the rear. And then I'm pretty sure I found out that there's more over here. I don't know where they are, but yeah, like I said, I just want to peel this off today. I think that's a pretty good goal. It's so tiring. I don't know how many holes there are. Probably like 50 to 80. It's just annoying because the bit keeps slipping because I don't have one of those like spiked pieces that you can punch a hole, not punch a hole, but punch a dent into the thing so that your drill bit doesn't get off guided. But I've been getting used to it. Okay, after fixing all some of the pinch holes that didn't fully break and breaking the glue. Ta-da! So it's obviously not on, but I just laid it on there just to show you guys. Wanted to see how the fitment is. For the most part, it seems like it reaches each edge nicely. Just it's so thin and light that literally concave this. I don't know if we're gonna have to build a support or not, but obviously this has nothing to do with structural integrity because this car is fully caged. Literally every piece can be cut off and it won't make a difference. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. Remember to vote. Although I already made a video today about that, so I'll mention it tomorrow. I'll be able to see how many votes I have tomorrow morning or tomorrow noon, because it takes every 24 hours it's updated. So we'll see where we stand. But thanks for watching, guys. See you guys tomorrow.